Good morning, everyone. This is Sam with Best Pro Trade. We have a lot of people requesting information about the next generation auto trade. Uh, the next generation auto trade is not on the web. It usually comes with the full Best Pro Trade package. I want to talk a little bit about this next generation. A lot of requests about the next generation auto trade. That auto trade is the most advanced auto trade in the market. As always, Best Pro Trade bring a lot of stuffs to the market. I'm gonna highlight some of the stuff on this auto trade. This is not based on ATRs or momentum. This one is on analysis, algorithm, and a high time frame. What Best Pro Trade is trying to do, we are done with optimization. We don't do any more optimization. We all tried that. You do some optimization and you have a very nice result. You put them in the test, and the tests usually are disasters. So what we are done now, we moved away from the optimization, and now knowledge of how to set up the auto trade, which we give free trading room. You can come into the trading room as long as you want with no charges. Any updates, no charges. You want to change your license from one computer to another, we do not charge money. Does not matter what you buy from the Best Pro Trade, that will give you, you will be qualified to be in the room every single day. We run the room 4 hours a day, 5 days a week. Usually we are done within 4 hours. This next generation is a very well advanced auto trade, and we're gonna highlight what is in it. First things, if you notice, we're gonna start from the right hand side. We have the CL, the DAX, the YM, and the ES. We will start what is this signal is all about. We have here a signal is an M3, that means 3 minutes. M6 means 6 minutes and 9 minutes. You can change the time frame from minutes to Renko bars, takes anything you want. You want to change it from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or you can change it to 2, 4, 6 minutes, or 3, 6, 9, or 10, 20, 30, or 10, 15, 30. You can change the time frame on that because have a big effect on the auto trade. Where is the signal coming from? We're going to explain where is the signal coming from. The M1 has a 10 indicator from volatility to MACDs, volume, momentum, all of them here, the 10 indicators, calculating tick by tick the 1 minute. Then we have the M3 calculating 10 basic indicators on the 3 minutes, and we have the 5 minutes calculating 10 indicators, calculating tick by tick. We're talking about algorithm. This is algorithm, gentlemen and ladies. We have 1 and 3 and 5 calculating 30 indicators. Then another system come in and calculate the 30 indicators to plot one signal. So that signal, when we are trading, doesn't flip on us when we are on a live trade. Those signals are very stable signals, will not be affected on a pullback, or if there is a fake out in the market, this one here will not be affected. The same signal, you can use it on the range bars and the ticks and the Renko bars. On that auto trade, what we have here, we have the 369 given us a no trade zone right now. We have 2 of them on the next generation auto trade, and you can use, let's say, 246 and a 369. So when the 246 is in no trade and the 369 in no trade, that auto trade will not take any trades. At the same time, we have a signal calculating 6-7 indicators. We're not going to go through those details right now, but you can see we have some calculation for some other indicators. A plot a signal. That signal has to be neutral or short or long. Then what we have, we measure the buyers and the sellers, and we use a 6 different time frame on the multi-BBT to filter the noises in the market. At the same time, we have a double market analyzer. We can filter those trades from the 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. Each of this time frame can be filtered, turned off, or it could be turned on. If you want to scalp the market, you can use the 1 minute and 1 minute, 3 minutes and 3 minutes, 5 minutes and 5 minutes. Or if you wanted to trade a little bit a bigger trade, you can activate the higher time frame, which is the 10, 15, 30. Each one of those time frame can be turned off and it can be turned on. At the same time, we measure the bulls and the bears, and that's what making this auto trade a little bit unique. When the signal fires, will not plot on the chart, has to go through the BBT next generation algorithm and evaluate the signal before the signal plot on the chart. We are the only one have, if you activate one of the entries, it will never plot on the chart until go through the BBT algorithm, filter it, calculate it. If it's good, then we shoot it into the chart. Or the BBT algorithm can reject that signal and will never plot on the chart. This is the advanced system where nobody else have it. Another things what we have done, if you notice here, we have a red on the DAX. This red here, the number right under the yellow, this is not an algorithm. This is not an ATR, sorry. We have it right now on the YM 17761, and if you notice on the CL, we don't have it. And this is not an ATR. The idea is for the auto trader can take a trade 100% hand-free, but at the same time the system can calculate for you. If we are looking on the YM as a plotting that the trend is down and we have a short trade, and it's plotting the number is 17761. So in other words, even if you want to trade manually, you can plot a signal here and sell one tick below that 761 because the trend is still down. At the same time, what we have done to this auto trade, you can click right away on the setting and calculate anything you want, because you can also show the priority, which signal you like the best, the priority signal. You can change the signal and make which indicator priority number one to go in and plot on the auto trade. Then we can close position. You can also use the parabolic trailing, and then you can also use a reversal. You can reverse the trade if you wanted to reverse the trade, long only and short only. All this has to be calculated before it takes one trade. If we notice on the DAX today, a lot of winning trades on the DAX, and now we are in the US market, of course. Now the DAX a little bit slowing, but you can see there is a lot of winning on the DAX. And now in the afternoon, if you are in Europe or in the US market right now, the DAX is start really is the best way to trade the DAX is in the morning, the European time. You can filter one of the three time frames, or you can filter the auto trade with a two time frame. If you wanted to use 1, 3, and 5, you can do that, or if you want to use 10, 20, 30, you can do that. Those are two different market analyzers where they are totally independent from each other, and every time frame can be turned off and on. We do sometimes webinars in the room, and you are very welcome to come in and register on our web page, and then we can show you. We have in the package around 7 auto trades, the smaller auto trade for the new beginners, and we have the complicated auto trades, and we have the big auto trades. But all those auto trades, you will be trained on every single one of them and understand every indicator in the system, so you can set up the auto trade fits your budget. We have some traders have a large account. We have some people they have a smaller account. So you can set it up to take one trade, or you can take 4 trades in it, 8 trades if you want to. Also, as an idea for Forex and stocks, you can trade that auto trade. I want to say thank you very much, and see you all in the room. And don't forget to register when we do the webinars. You're very welcome to come and look at it. Thank you very much, and wish you happy trading.